I just thought I'd make a little video about the camera, the 900 megahertz camera. So far, actually, I've only gone about half a mile because the snow and stuff. If it went down, I'd have a bit hard time retrieving it. So I've kept it within about half a mile. I've gone up fairly high with it, and so far the video is 100%. I've got my data logger running right now. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's the altitude. We started at about 20. What the heck was it? 2250. And there's the distance right there in feet. Right now it's pulling 20, well, it was 29 amps. It'll cruise around real nice at high elevations at about 20 amps, 20 to 22 amps. Full throttle, it'll pull about 40 amps. With the 2-cell setup I've got, there's two 5,000 milliamp 2-cell packs in it, and I can easily get 20 minutes out of it. My speed, it's not a hot rod or anything, but right now it's just cruising along real slow, so it's at 20 miles an hour. I think probably about 35 to 40 is about maximum speed on it. But it climbs well. It doesn't have any issues that way. Speed control stays nice and cool on the outside. I don't regret putting this motor in here, but it's the 3648 1450 kV with the 1155 prop from HOBBYKIng. That's a 40 amp HOBBYKIng speed control as well. But until I hooked up the EAGLETREE system, I really didn't have any idea, how high, fast, or any of those things, how much power it was using, and it's pretty cool. I've done some Google Earth stuff where it shows it on a map. Since I haven't really flown far, it doesn't look like much. It's just a bunch of squiggly lines, but it's still kind of cool. But I just thought I'd just let you know that this 900 megahertz, 1500 milliwatt radio video transmitter doesn't seem to be affecting the GPS at all. I've got it mounted back here away from it, and everything seems to be fine. I've heard some people say that it can affect the GPS and that, and I haven't found that the case. This thing back here, it's about 25. It's varying up and down, 20 to 25 amps right there. And 7.5 volts, 7.45 volts. That's my speed controlled temperature. And battery packs. So nothing. Of course it's winter time, so it's right around freezing. But still it shouldn't be a problem. So I just thought I'd just had a little time here and I would let you know what I thought about this EAGLETRee V4 data logger OSD GPS system with my HOBBYKING transmitter system, and so far so good. Everything works together and I haven't had any problems at all. So, and that's about it then.